Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Sports Bluetooth earphones and I'll show you how we can make hard reset of this device. So at the first we have to open this part of the device and enable USB port. We have to input here charger, cable that is connected to the charger. And when you make it and when they are connected, you can take a look here. And there is their small red dot. That means that they are connected and they are charging. On the camera you cannot see it probably, but on the real life you will be able to spot that red dot in this place. So right now, when they are connected to the charger, what we have to do, grab this multifunction button and then click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator here starts blinking on the blue and the red color. Click and hold. Keep holding and take a look here. Right now it's blinking. And we can finally read this. So when you tap on them once right now, as you can see, we are unable to connect them because they were factory reset and they will remove from all devices and they will restore to the factory settings. Right now, to pair them back to your smartphone, you can finally unplug this cable, close that tray, click and hold this button, the multifunction button, to move them into the pairing mode. Right now this is blinking, so they will be in the pairing mode. So when you click on them once, we will be connected in a few moments. Click pair to confirm, and as you can see, that's it. So to hard reset this device, plug cable connected to the charger, click and hold multi-function button for a few seconds until this indicator starts blinking on the white and the red color, and after that the hard reset will be finished. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.